baby, now. Let me warm you up, baby, please.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys on how I do a blowout here at home on myself. So for the first thing that you're going to need is obviously a blow dryer, and you're going to need a round brush. I got this one from Sally's Beauty Supply. And also you're going to need a heat protectant. Also, you're going to need some oil for afterwards when you are done blow drying your hair. So to start off, I'm going to be taking some of the heat protectant from Trust Professional, and I'm just going to be running this through my hair. Now on to sectioning. I'm going to be sectioning my hair right above my ears, and I'm going to be starting down here at the bottom half. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to try to explain this as best as I can to you guys, but I always like to hold the blow dryer in my dominant hand, which is the right hand. I am a right-handed person. So I'm just going to go ahead and start getting the hair and pulling it upwards. Now, you always want to make sure that you do this in sections. If you just try to blow dry your hair and leave it all down and you're not sectioning it off, you're not going to achieve a really good blowout. So you always want to make sure that you're doing it in small sections. I'm also here going in with the brush, and as you guys could see, I'm just going back and forth, and I'm going to be blow drying it back now. That this is going to create a little bit more flow, that way it's out of your face and it's going back. Now right here, I always like to hold it with the brush, and I always like to go in with the other side of the blow dryer and cool it down just a little bit. Now this is where sometimes most people make mistakes and they get their hair caught. You gently just want to go down with it. That's why I said it's so important that you do this in sections and that you just don't have your hair all crumbled up. Now, taking it up like I am here, this is going to create some volume at the scalp. So if you were one of those people that like a lot of volume, I highly recommend that you do this. So this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know this video was requested by a lot of you, so I wanted to go ahead and put it out there. Also too, if you guys can please like, comment on this video, and also subscribe to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it. And if you guys want to follow me on my social media, I will link it right here and also down below. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your guys' day.